I'm still going there. Who is he? Motherfucker, I'm him. Yeah, let's get it.
Alright, we gotta get out of this traffic. What we got over there? We got space. Let's hit that M1. Alright. It's finally starting to get warm. Y'all probably can see it's about 74 degrees out here. I had the top down, I think it may have been this week. I finally took the top down for the first time this year, but I wasn't even recording. See what we got over there. Do I got room? Yeah, I got a ton of room. I feel like everybody be staying in the fast lane and they be ignoring that it don't be nobody in the slow lane for the most part. So I'll ride the slow lane down as far as I can before I get to people that really ain't driving fast, and then I'll switch over. That's me. I don't know what y'all do. Right here is probably, this gap is where I would swing back over depending on how they driving, and that just gave me a little bit more room as long as they don't start coming over. This bus being in the fast lane is insane. Them braking, like, it's a lot of braking. Like, why would everybody braking? Like, I'm gonna stay in the middle lane because I don't know what that bus is really doing. It's probably trying to get over, but yeah, there's a lot of braking happening in here. So I don't know what we got. Let's see. All right, let's get over here because I don't know what this. I can see better now. All right. Then we ain't got no traffic. 15 miles, 14 minutes. Too easy. Legit, the bus need to move out of the fast lane. That's the problem. The bus is in this lane and I don't even know why they over here. People don't have no road etiquette. No road etiquette. Still. See, I need to be over in the slow lane. I was just saying why I be staying in the slow lane. The whole lane empty right there. We're gonna get back in this middle lane after this red truck. No, we ain't. I got another little joint in front of it, so that ain't gonna do no good. tell you, this bus is really riding this fast lane. Like they doing something. They look like they riding some cars' ass. All right, let's push up. Let's see what we got. That slow lane after that 4Runner or Sequoia. It's wide open. That's a Toyota in it. Well, I don't know what it is about Toyota drivers. Right now, I'm gonna say it's just Corollas, but Camrys, y'all looking real iffy. Real iffy. I don't even know if the lane is open for me anymore now. Look, nope. Ain't no point to go over there. They doing the most. Like, I'm all about changing some lanes, but the way they be doing it is, shit don't make sense. Change lanes with a purpose. Here we go. We got, he don't look like he know what he doing. Let's go ahead and get out of that Toyota's way. The Camry moving. It's a little Prius, so we ain't gonna blame them, but we'll go ahead and get ahead of all of them. This lane look like it's open again. But now you done jumped in there. I don't know what you about. Probably pushing that thing as hard as you can. Yo, this what? Like, I don't know what this bus is doing. Boy, they got them little mice running in that little engine over there. Boy, that car getting it. That's what I'm talking about. Is that a Versa? Okay, okay, Nissan. Oh yeah. What we looking like in that middle lane? All right, we good. We got a little space. And then we look like we got the slow lane open up. I think it's actually a car up there, but I can't see over. This thing, nah, that's enough room. We good. Oh, we get a hundo. First time for the season. God, I ain't even put on the sports display. I was so worried about the damn traffic. My bad, my bad. That is my fault. What move we making here? We gonna hit the middle lane. We gonna push up. Got wide open roads, a little bit of traffic. Alright, I'm gonna roll that window up. I don't have my mic on, so I should probably sound crazy. Alright, what we got here? Alright. Get to my favorite lane so I can scope this all out. That Volvo did what I was gonna do. Ooh, look at you just sitting there, cop. Let's slow it down, then get off the brake. Okay, perfect. I'm in the slow lane though, so I feel like he wouldn't be checking for my ass way over here. He probably sleep. He wasn't even hiding in the cut. Them Virginia cops will get you, bro. They got these little trees and they will sit in a tree. I feel like half the time state troopers be asleep. They don't even be worried about shit unless it's like the beginning of the month or they got a quota to meet or something. We be chilling. Especially in Virginia, like I feel like speed limit is definitely a suggestion for most people that are driving. As long as you're not driving like erratic and crazy, I think people understand. People drive like 80, 85 out here on the regular. Like that's normal. So yeah, I don't be thinking it's a big thing. Back in the middle lane. The road about to split, so normally I like to go left, but let's get one more over. All right, let's see what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm still gonna go left. I ain't gonna get in that local shit. All right, and usually nobody be in the left lane, so that shit'll be empty. And I'll ride up the slow lane, my bad. So the right lane. We got one little van that don't look like it's moving that fast. So if I can get, let's see, if I could have got past that van, I would have. That van looked like he kind of moving. Let's give him a chance. Let's give him a chance. Oh, then that moved out of the. They moved back because I was about to get there. All right, let's get in this middle lane and push over with this Audi. All right, perfect. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna let the Audi lead the way. All right. What we doing here? You're doing a full cutover now. I'm gonna wait, be a little patient, get in front of here. All right, boom. All right, what's next? We're going right. All right, let's go right. All right, now push it. Look at that. That lane clear. How far it is, and nobody over in the right lane. I don't even know what is that, an Audi A3? Okay, I see you. All right, I agree with that move. I was looking to go over there too. But I do it smarter than you. All right, let everybody chilling. Let's get over here now. Told you about them Toyotas. They already knew, should have known. He about to take that right lane. That shit gonna open up for him. Yeah, if I was him, I would cut right. I don't know if y'all can see him in my rear view. Nah, he's stuck behind that truck. I don't know, most times people move out of my way when I'm driving. And then sometimes they'll be assholes and they'll literally just drive like this in front of me. But I feel like it'd be the old people. We gotta watch for cops in this little corridor right here. So we gonna chill out. We ain't gonna drive nothing too crazy. we done made good time. I think, what that thing say, 15 miles, 14 minutes or something? I feel like we probably did that. But you gotta slow down in here because the cops be like right in these little intersections. I'm gonna show y'all. Everybody from Virginia already know this. But if you ain't from Virginia and you about to come through here, like anytime you see these little intersect joints that I'm gonna show you where it looks like you can cut from side of the highway from north to south and vice versa, that's where the stadies be sitting all the time. So you gotta be careful. All right, like see, you see the sign here. Where the hell is it? Oh, it ain't one right there. Hold on, where that shit at? Usually it be right near the sign. Oh, it's right here. That thing say authorized vehicles right there. They be chilling right in that little area. Hopefully y'all can see it. I wasn't trying to turn my head while I'm trying to drive. But yeah, you gotta be careful. But when you pass those, then people be pushing back up. That was an easy drive, y'all. We made it. I don't even know how long that was. So I see what this video looked like. That was super easy. We got like 1 mile and then we getting off. But before I end it, no, definitely appreciate everybody that be watching. The content is gonna start getting a lot better. I'm getting more used to it. From when I first started, it's about to be summer, so we definitely gonna be doing some top-down videos. So it's only gonna get better from here. Appreciate all y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed another POV from the M8 video. If y'all got any requests or anything that you want to see for the car, just let me know. And yeah, just like put it in the comments, let me know, and I'll definitely see what I can do to accommodate. But like I said, the M8 owners video, like some pros and cons and stuff of it, is gonna be coming soon. Probably in the next month I'm gonna be able to drop that. And other than that, yeah, y'all have an amazing day. Appreciate the support. Make sure you like, follow the page, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will definitely catch y'all on the next one.